Hello, my name is Will Abdi. I'm Product Line Manager at NXP. Today, I'm going to talk about NXP new NMH1000T1 device, ultra-low power and low voltage magnetic switch sensor. NMH1000 magnetic switch sensor replaces the traditional bulky mechanical switches which typically fail under difficult environmental conditions, and it operates in either two modes, I²C or standalone, which is MCU-less. In this video, I will provide a short description of the product, its benefits and applications, in addition to information on the NMH1000 Freedom Shield Evaluation Board. The NMH1000 is a Hall-effect sensor, consists of a small DFN package, 1.4 by 1.4 by 0.85 mm. The sensor is most sensitive to the magnetic fields that vertically passes through the top to bottom surfaces of the package and operates at a very low supply voltage with ultra-low power consumption. NMH1000 detects the absence of a magnetic field and outputs either high or low state upon the comparison with present thresholds. Some of the key benefits that differentiate the NMH1000 in the market are the small package size, which enables small module designs for lighter weight and space-constrained applications. The low supply voltage allows smaller battery size and longer shelf life. No step-up regulator required. The I²C interface provides expanded functions like more thresholds and sample rate options, output polarity control, and magnetic field strength as it relates to a specific threshold setting. It's important to mention that the NMH1000 is designed for numerous medical, industrial, consumer, and smart home applications like continuous glucose monitor, drug delivery devices, smart inhaler, electronic system wake-up, gas and water flow applications, metering, anti-tampering, switch read replacement, alarm system, and more. To help our customers evaluate the NMH1000 and get up to speed, NXP developed NMH1000 Freedom Shield Evaluation Board, which can be easily connected to an NXP Freedom MCU board via the Arduino headers for evaluation. The evaluation board has all of the necessary headers, jumpers, and signal test points to quickly evaluate the NMH1000 magnetic sensor. The user can connect the two boards for evaluation of the NMH1000 magnetic sensor with either a terminal program using the NXP provided component library or standalone mode use case to help users in their software development. These evaluation boards provide an intuitive way to change between the sensor's standalone modes and the I²C interface for communication through jumper selections, as well as providing test points that are typically used for evaluation. The NMH1000 datasheet provides additional information and configuration details. The evaluation board design files and documents like the user guide can be found and downloaded from the NMH1000 product page. In this video, I'm using Freedom KE15Z MCU board to evaluate the evaluation kit, PC, USB cable, and project demo software like FreeMaster from NXP is needed. To start, download FreeMaster tool from NXP.com, download FreeMaster sensor tool from NXP.com, then open the FreeMaster software GUI, connect the evaluation kit via the USB cable, click on Connection Wizard to detect the board, open the existing demo project, browse to an NMH1000T1. NMH1000T1 detects the magnetic field. It will output a high state. The threshold and other parameters can be modified as needed. For more information, visit NMH1000T1 webpage on NXP.com.